Lesson 7. YouHodler's Business Opportunities. While most people come to YouHodler for its trading tools, cloud miner, and its loans, some people are also on the lookout for forming a business relationship. Luckily for them, there are several ways this can happen. Let's discuss two of them now. One simple method of working together with YouHodler is by joining its affiliate program. This gives you the opportunity to earn a commission every time a new customer is referred to the YouHodler website or app. You get two options for how you would like your commissions to be calculated. You could either receive an upfront fee for each client that gets onboarded, which amounts to $150 per person. Or you could choose to earn a percentage of revenue generated from that client, going up to $500 per client. The focus of the program is to onboard newcomers and retail traders. The affiliate program is perfect for those with a powerful social media influence, such as content creators, thought leaders, bloggers, and vloggers. The other method of forming a business relationship with YouHodler is via its trading as a service or loans as a service capabilities. This is aimed more at fintech companies, neobanks, and crypto trading companies. YouHodler offers companies the ability to integrate multi-hodl and loans into their own ecosystems and applications via an API or iframe. This is great for projects that want to offer simplified and intuitive trading tools to their own user base. It's a fantastic way of adding more value to your own project without having to develop a new tool yourself. And if you don't have a business of your own, but know a crypto project that could benefit from additional products, YouHodler offers collaboration to introducers and pays commissions on successful business introductions as well. For companies that are interested in this, YouHodler will talk them through the entire process, as well as their TaaS and LaaS models to ensure a smooth and seamless integration. Essentially, it's a plug-and-play type of a situation, meaning that companies can get set up quickly and easily and begin earning revenue very quickly. Both the affiliate program as well as the TaaS and LaaS integrations are great ways of using YouHodler as an additional way of earning. This is a company that is very in touch with its user base and is very open about forming new business relationships and bonds. All options should be considered if they seem relevant to how you conduct your business or know anyone else who would be interested.